Hey guys, so here we are in week 9 of distance learning. I know this says week 8, but this is the page from last week for robotics. I just wanted to show you some navigation things for our Canvas so that it might help you just a little bit because I've got folks asking me questions about navigation and where to find things. So if you look on your home page and notice I have repeatedly said here, please do not share files to submit work. I will only grade submissions in Canvas. What that means is if you create something in Word, PowerPoint, or Excel, do not hit the share button at the top because it comes to me as an email. And if I get 200 emails in a day and I happen to open yours while I'm not sitting at the computer and 40 more emails come in after that, it's very possible that your work could get overlooked and not graded. So please make sure you submit it in Canvas, which is where I grade everything. So as we scroll down on each week, and I don't know why this is happening when I make videos. I'm sorry. So when I scroll down here, you'll see all of the links, and this week I'll add the link for week 9. But every assignment and discussion from our distance learning is posted here. And there's a video on how to submit Office 365. There's also included in that, it shows you how to get to Office 365, and then uploading videos, uploading pictures. And every week I post a little weekly update from our family. And then here where it says please watch the video, this is the video like what I'm making right now. That's our video for the week that gives you information for the week. So please make sure each week that you watch that. It's anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes long. It's not a long video. And here's where I post what your discussion is going to be. There's the link for your discussion. This week the discussion is going to be a little bit different. I'll pull that up in a minute. And then your weekly tutoring sessions. This week there's only going to be 2. There's going to be one on Tuesday, May the 19th, and one on Thursday, May the 21st. Those dates will be updated on the new page that I'm about to upload in just a few minutes. And then for robotics, your assignment is always at the bottom. The Vex VR is the place where you do the coding, and here's where you run your code to make sure it's working. And whatever's titled here, do the simple programming for your robot. This is what you do. This is the instructions for it. So this week, your assignment is going to be storming the castle. So if you go to distance learning week 9, sorry guys, storming the castle. Storm the castle is the assignment for this week. You'll only upload the 3rd project out of those 3. And something I discovered on the Vex VR site, and this is something that might be interesting to you. When you go to Vex VR, if you go to the website for Vex VR, which is on the Vex robotics site, when you scroll down to the bottom, this is something I hadn't noticed, the Vex VR change log. And this is issues that they have resolved. So if you were having problems earlier with the program, it's very possible that they have fixed it and they've posted things that they've been fixing. So you're welcome to go back and look at that and see if it was something that you were having an issue with before. Okay, so for career portals, your assignment this week, you guys are going to be doing some research on the college that you want to go to for the degree that would help you get the career that you chose. So if you look at week 9's assignment for career portals, I want you guys to tell me how many college credit hours you're going to need for your degree. And it should tell you when you go to the college and you research the degree. I want you to tell me how many college credit hours, how many of those classes are going to be elective courses, which is courses that you get to choose, and what electives will you likely take to enhance your college experience. And put all of this information in a PowerPoint or a Word document, and then submit using the Office 365 option. Okay, and then for computer applications, if you have not finished your website, you need to finish your website first. And all of the tutorials for computer applications are at the bottom. So here's the tutorial for lesson 9, lesson 10, and lesson 13. I did not do one for lesson 11, but lesson 11 is pretty self-explanatory. If you go through each part, it should be self-explanatory. Once you've finished your website, you can scroll down to the bottom, and here's how to get into Unit 3 for the enrichment activity, which is making animations and games. The class codes are here toward the bottom of the page, and if you've already submitted your website, you do not need to resubmit it. Okay? And I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Thanks so much, and I hope to see you guys all soon.